LuminHopper presents.
How fusion works? Is it an interesting question? Definitely yes. But is it complicated? It is not so hard a concept as most people think. Let me prove it to you in 2 minutes. It is essential to know several basic concepts. Atomic nuclei are composed of protons and neutrons, each of which has approximately the same mass but a different electric charge. When protons and neutrons are assembled into a nucleus, they are held together by a nuclear force, which is measured by the so-called binding energy. For example, the highest binding energy belongs to iron. Energy is released when elements are transmuted into other elements that have higher binding energy. Actually, binding energy inferred from the mass difference. According to the Einstein's equation, energy and mass can be converted into each other. The mass of uranium can be measured to be larger than some of the masses of the fission products barium and krypton. Similarly, in combining deuterium and tritium, the masses of the helium and neutron produced as a result of the reaction are smaller than the initial fusion elements. Therefore, mass has been lost and energy has been gained. Thus, transmuting hydrogen into helium would release a considerable amount of energy. To be more specific, the first step is to use the simplest reaction possible, which is the following one. Deuterium, that consists of one proton and neutron, is fused with tritium containing one proton and two neutrons. As a result, we are getting alpha, helium with two protons and two neutrons, and one neutron that carries approximately 80% of the energy released, and this energy should be converted into heat at fusion power plant. But it is not so easy to force such a reaction to happen. Are you interested in how to do it? If yes, click that button to join the LuminHopper community by subscribing to our newsletter.